You don't need affiliate marketing, promotion, or even selling of items, and the important thing is that no investment is required because this strategy is completely free to do. In today's video, I will show you how you can get paid by simply copying and pasting some text. If you want to know how, then make sure you stay tuned in this video. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Mastery. I teach tips and tricks in making money online. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Just smash the like button and leave a comment below. Now let's jump to the video. Today's strategy revolves around Google. We will be using this platform today to make some very decent amounts of money online. And the only thing you will be doing is basically copying and pasting text. The first thing that you will be doing in this strategy is to either go over to news.google.com or just type in Google News in the search bar and click this one. On the next page, you will see in the left portion of the site are the categories of articles that you can freely read. We have local news, business, technology, entertainment, sports, and so on. And all you need to do is pick one of these categories you want to or interesting to you. But I will recommend that you go along with the health category simply because it's so popular. And most of us are concerned about this aspect in our entire life. And it feels so interesting and catchy. In any case, once you choose the category you want, you will now find some good and interesting articles. And take note of this, the article must be up to date. It means to choose an article that is not so old. If you can find the latest as possible, it could be better. Invest a couple of minutes in choosing your article and be sure that many people will be interested. Now, all you need to do is simply copy one part of the article and proceed to the next site that we will be using in this video in order to get paid. The site that we will be going to proceed with is Killbot.com. It's a very good platform to paraphrase your sentences. As you scroll in here, you will see that Killbot's paraphrasing tool helps millions of people rewrite and enhance any sentence, paragraph, or article using state-of-the-art technology. This software can rewrite your text for a few seconds only. Since you can't use the original article from Google News due to copyright issues, if you rewrite it yourself or with this tool right here, it will become 100% unique. You will be able to use it freely without being copyrighted, and of course, make money out of it. With that being said, this tool has its own disadvantage, but you can make a solution out of it as easy as that. As you can see here, if you don't avail of their premium account, there will be a maximum number of characters. In this free version, you will only have 400 characters at most. But that is not a problem because instead of copying the article entirely, you will copy smaller parts of it, paste them in here, click on paraphrase right here to rewrite the text in seconds. And now, proceed copying the next segment of the article and repeat until you've rewritten the entire article. Once you're done, take note of this. Ensure that the software commits no mistake because even the best rewriting tools are not 100% accurate. And there may be a few mistakes that you need to correct. When you have already done correcting those mistakes and you're satisfied with the article, we will now head over to one of the three platforms I will show you today that can pay you a decent amount of money. Before I show you the next steps in making money online, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe and bell icon so you'll always be updated about new ways to make money online. This website can literally make $1 per word. And if you do the math, each article contains hundreds of words at least and thousands at most. That's literally an insane amount of money. You can make money for an article that you didn't write. That's totally awesome. This website is no other than eatingwell.com. As the name says, this website is all about healthy eating foods. And your job is to choose an article related to food on Google News and then paraphrase and lastly, send it to them. And you can earn hundreds of dollars. And since articles are coming in every few hours, that means you can never run out of them. And you will be able to keep sending articles that you haven't written by yourself. This is the primary reason why this method is so effective and can help you generate a lot of money. On this site, you will send the articles via email. To do so, you need to scroll down to the bottom of the site and click on Jobs over here. On this page, you will need to scroll down a little bit and click this one, Writer's Guidelines. And on this page, you will be able to find their email address where you will send the articles to get paid. But you can also see that they will pay you $1 per word, as I said previously. So once again, you stand to earn hundreds of dollars per article, which can quickly pile up to a lot of money. Furthermore, you can also see the guidelines and the topic that is allowed to be sent in their Gmail. So just take a couple of minutes in the reading section because it will guide you on the things here. Anyways, their email address you can see right up here, which you will want to copy, then head over to your Gmail account and send them. The subject of the email is something like a submission form or just submission. And now, you will attach a file of your article in there and click on send. And if you already send your article, just wait a couple of hours for their reply so that you will get paid. The second platform you can use to get paid online is called sierraclub.org. And on this platform, you will want to send articles either in science or technology over on Google News. The same as earlier, you will send them an article via their email address. To find it, scroll down to the bottom of the page and then click on Sierra Magazine here. On the next page, you will also need to scroll down to the bottom and look for submission guidelines. It's over here and click on. And finally, on this page, you will need to select guidelines for writers and you will be able to find their email address on the very next page right here. Now, the subject email for Sierra Club is supposed to be a pitch, as this said right over here, and also include a short description of the article. So don't write a submission like the previous platform. Once again, you need to attach your file, write over and send it over to Sierra. The last platform I will show you in this video that you can use to get paid for those articles is called daily.jstor.org. This site pays slightly less than the previous two sites I just showed you, but this site will accept articles in many different niches, unlike the previous platforms which are focused on health, science, and technology. I would highly recommend you use this site alongside the previous two platforms to maximize your results. You will basically rinse and repeat from there. Find a few articles on Google News, rewrite them with Killbot, check for mistakes, and make sure the article is as good as you can make it. Then copy it and send it via email to one or all of these three platforms to earn hundreds, if not thousands of dollars online. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and enjoy my content, be sure to leave a thumbs up below to support my channel. And for you not to miss any of my future videos, then click on the subscribe button and make a ring on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever a new video pops up. This is Online Money Mastery. Happy earning! See you in the next video.